In this video, we will explain what every common USB port color means, what each one is used for, and whether the color is always reliable. Let's get started. What is a USB port? Before we talk about colors, let's quickly understand what a USB port is. USB stands for Universal Serial Bus. It is one of the most common ways to connect devices to a computer. Black USB port. The black USB port is probably the most common one. It usually means the port is USB 2.0. USB 2.0 has a maximum speed of 480 megabits per second. Today, that speed is considered slow, but it is still perfect for simple devices. For example, keyboard, mouse, printer, webcam, USB microphone. If you are only transferring small files or connecting basic accessories, a black USB port works just fine. White USB port. White USB ports are much older. They usually represent USB 1.0 or USB 1.1. These versions were released many years ago. Their maximum speed is only 12 megabits per second. You won't see white USB ports very often on modern computers. They are mostly found on very old desktops and laptops. If you ever find one, it can still work with many USB devices, but file transfers will be very slow. Blue USB port. The blue USB port is one of the easiest to recognize. It usually means USB 3.0 or USB 3.1 generation 1. These ports are much faster than USB 2.0. They can transfer data at speeds up to 5 gigabits per second. That's more than 10 times faster than USB 2.0. Blue USB ports are great for external SSDs, external hard drives, flash USB flash drives, video capture devices, large file transfers. If you regularly move large files, always choose the blue USB port whenever possible. Teal USB port. Some newer computers have teal colored USB ports. These usually represent USB 3.1 generation 2. They can reach speeds up to 10 gigabits per second. That's twice as fast as a standard blue USB 3.0 port. This makes them perfect for high-speed SSDs, professional cameras, large video files, fast backups. Not every computer has steel ports, but they are becoming more common. Red USB port. Red USB ports often have a special feature. Many of them continue supplying power even when the computer is turned off or sleeping. This is called always on USB. That means you can charge your phone, smartwatch, or wireless earbuds without turning on your computer. Some manufacturers also use red ports for high-speed USB versions, so a red port may be both fast and capable of charging devices. If you often charge gadgets using your computer, the red USB port is usually the best choice. Yellow USB port. Yellow USB ports are very similar to red ones. They are also commonly used for charging devices. Many laptops keeps power flowing through the yellow USB port even when the laptop is off. This is useful if your laptop is plugged into the charger. Again, there is no universal rule. Different brands may use YOLO ports slightly differently, but in most cases, YOLO means extra charging support. Orange USB port. Orange USB ports are less common. They are also often designed for charging. Some manufacturers use orange ports to provide higher charging power than normal USB ports. If you notice an orange port on your laptop, it is usually meant for charging phones, tablets, or other USB powered devices. Green USB port. Green USB ports are quite rare. Some manufacturers use them for special software features or gaming devices. For example, certain gaming motherboards may use a green USB port for faster response with gaming keyboards or mice. If you see a green USB port, it's best to check your computer's manual. Purple USB port. Purple USB ports are also uncommon. Some older computers used them for keyboards or mice. Certain motherboard manufacturers also used purple ports for special functions like green ports. Purple does not have one standard meaning. Does the color always tell the truth? Now, here's something many people don't know. The USB color is only a helpful guide, it is not an official requirement. Two different laptop brands can use different colors for similar USB ports. Some manufacturers don't use colored ports at all. Instead, they simply use black ports for everything. The best way to know what your USB port supports is to check your computer specifications or look for the symbols printed next to the port. For example, you might see SS for super speed, a battery icon for charging, a lightning symbol, or the USB logo. These symbols are usually more reliable than color alone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple technology explainers. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.